Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change the theme of this device. Firstly, just open Devices Settings and click on Personalization right away. Now select Themes and tap on Browse Themes next to Microsoft Store to install the best one for you, or just tap on one of the available ones in order to apply it. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!